Hey guys, it's Jenna Rosenstein, Senior Beauty Editor for BAZAAR.com, and today we're in sunny Los Angeles, California with celebrity hairstylist Justine Marjan.
Thanks for lounging by the pool with me.
Oh, of course. I mean, this is so much better than New York City, but why I'm here is to see your beauty stash.
Awesome. Should we go inside?
Yeah, let's go. Maybe a few more minutes.
Yeah, let's enjoy this
Okay.
while we can. Welcome to my glam room.
It's beautiful.
So I have my closet here and I have my hair closet here. Where do you want to start?
I think the hair closet.
Okay.
Because
Okay.
how many people have an entire closet full of hair? Like,
I
that's
know.
wild. If somebody doesn't know what a hair closet is and think you like just have a weird hobby of collecting
Right.
hair, what is this and what do you do with this?
I basically use hair extensions on all my clients.
Okay.
I just feel like it makes the hair look better for a photo. And sometimes you can correct color or you can add highlights, you can add fullness, length. You could just give anyone a transformation. So I've been using hidden crown hair, clip-in extensions, and the headband style extensions. And then I have all these wigs I just source from everywhere.
Okay.
And sometimes we'll make a wig or customize something to whoever you want to be. I can
go
turn
here.
you into her. Before each client, I grab like what colors I think. I usually grab a couple ranges just to be sure, and then a couple different lengths. You don't normally find out like what look you're doing before unless it's for a really big event or for a photo shoot. So I come prepared if they say that they want like a long ponytail or if they say they want something really short, I bring options for every single look. Just so I can never be like, oh, I don't have that.
So do you use these crazy color wigs on anyone?
The 3 I bought for a music video, but we didn't end up using them. But I wanted to show you this one in the corner, actually.
The blonde shiny one?
Yeah, the blonde short one. I cut it for Maddie Ziegler when we did, it's actually the first time I met her for a Main Addicts photo shoot.
Cool.
And we did like an Edie Sedgwick inspired look and it was so cute.
Are these all human hair?
These are all human hair.
Okay.
Synthetic hair is just hard to style with heat tools. So human hair blends into the hair more naturally.
Yeah.
It's easier to match colors. And it just like gives the illusion that it's actually your real hair.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, when you are using them on a client and they go home at the end of the night, like
Right.
what happens? How do you get the hair back?
Well, I normally get it back and then we wash it, restyle it, and then put it back in the closet. So
Interesting.
yeah, I know when I was first an assistant, I was like really crazy about getting the hair back because hair is expensive
Yeah.
and you spend like basically the amount you get paid for the job, you spend on the hair extensions that you use. So it's a real investment. So I'd keep the hair, I'd take really good care of it.
For an average person, like how long would you say hair extensions like this last?
I mean, they can last a couple years if you're taking good care of it. You just
Yeah.
have to think of it like normal hair. Like you want to mask it, you want to Olaplex it, you want to like blow dry, air dry, you know, all the things that you normally do to your hair.
Was this like
I
a
love
dream
it.
you've always wanted?
Yeah, it just keeps it organized and I'm such a visual person. I just need something where I can just like pull it out super fast on the
Right.
go.
Yeah.
And then I also have my backdrops because I like to have
yeah.
my little photo shoots in here.
Justine is one of like the best hairstylists to follow on
Oh
social
my gosh,
media.
thank you.
Seriously.
It's so nice
Oh,
of
so
you.
you give like such like great content that's like
thank
really
you.
useful in tutorials.
I love to teach, so it's fun.
Oh, I love that. So this is the hair that you've actually used on celebrities.
Yes.
I mean, you work with so many amazing clients like Olivia Culpo and Khloe Kardashian. But can you like call out any celebrities that have actually worn
Yes.
these pieces?
So this one I used on Ashley Graham on a shoot last week.
No
we
way.
did a really, really curly look, so these need to be washed and then we'll re-put it. But
I love these girls.
I know, they're so good. It was such a fun look for her. I mean, I'm sure the blondes have just been
Used
around
to
the block.
death.
Yeah.
Look at this one.
So when you're choosing extensions, you always want to match the color to the lightest color in the hair. So if there's like a highlight, that would be
That's
the
what you
color
go
of the
with.
extensions you get, not the root color, the darker colors.
Oh, interesting. Well, how do I look, guys? Is this my shade?
I think you could go blonde.
Maybe.
Yeah, take that for reference.
Okay. Well, I would love to see the rest of this room and where you store all your makeup and hair products. So can we go see it?
Yeah, let's see where I get ready.
Okay, let's go.
So this is where I get ready in the morning, and if I shoot tutorials, this is where I do it as well. I've got my favorite hair accessories on display here.
Cool.
I have my new collection with Kitsch
Yeah.
right here.
You can see it, look.
Oh yeah, you're wearing it.
I am.
Here we go. I have that one right here. So these are made with hematite crystal, which is actually a crystal that's really good for grounding energy. And I'm very into crystals. As you can tell, I've got all my crystals here just to keep like the positive energy in my room and keep this a really calm space.
I love it.
Also have sage to burn and Palo Santo.
So LA.
Very LA. Welcome to LA.
We're in it now.
Yes,
I love it.
exactly. And then there's this really amazing artist on Instagram called Kendall Kira. And she loves to recreate everyone's glam photos on Instagram.
Wow.
So sometimes when she does one of my clients, I get really excited and I'll like buy her pieces and display them in here.
Is that Khloe?
So this is Khloe. This was on set for Revenge Body one day. That was Khloe when we did a press day in New York for Good American. Cool. Inside the drawers, this is just a regular dresser that I got from IKEA. We assembled it ourselves. Took a full day, but was worth it.
Always worth it.
In here is my makeup. So this is just what I use when I get ready in the morning.
Okay.
I just got this new palette from Becca, the Chloe and Malika collection. It's so beautiful. Like the highlighters are so shimmery. It's good on all skin tones.
Yeah.
It's one of my favorites to use right now.
Also a perk of being friends with clients like this.
Totally.
Yeah. Ooh, what is this?
I know, I love that color. This is from Sona. She has an amazing cosmetics line. This is part of the pink collection and it's so cute when you buy it. It comes in a little pink pouch and it has eyeshadows, like a lip color that matches. So if you use the whole palette, you have your whole look and everything you need.
That's so smart.
I know, and it's great quality and just, I think the colors are so pretty.
That is a really nice mix of colors.
So those are my current faves for makeup. And then in the drawer underneath it here, I've got all my hair supplies.
Exciting.
And I know, so this is just the area that I do my own hair. So this is a very small portion of all my hair products and tools.
We saw
and then
you have them in the
and then if I need anything else, I go into the closet.
Okay.
So right now, I've actually been trial using the new GHD Glide. This is a hot brush that just came out, or it's about to come out. But it's amazing for low maintenance girls. This I can use just in the morning. It gets rid of frizz.
Whoa.
It kind of, if you want to add a little flip or flare or you know, add a little bit of a bend, it's a really easy tool. I feel like this was a popular thing in like the 90s.
Right.
And I'm glad it's coming back new and improved and ready for the everyday girl.
Well, especially for girls with bangs like me, like there's nothing better than just like brushing through them really quickly.
You're the ideal girl to use it for sure. The products that I normally use on myself is the Tresemme Micro Mist Hairspray in Extend. So this is just a stronghold hairspray that I can still brush through. It doesn't feel stiff or heavy on the hair. So I use this on my own hair a lot.
I love it. You use that backstage a lot when I see you.
Yes, so I use this at Fashion Week. It's like my go-to product on the models because normally they're going from show to show. So I don't want their hair to be too stiff where they can't break it down later. I've been obsessed with the Color Wow Dream Coat. Do you ever use this?
Yeah, that's
It's to fight humidity. My hair is frizzy naturally. So if
You'd never know.
I know. So if I use this and I blow dry it in with this is the blow dryer I use on myself also.
GHD.
Yeah, the GHD air dryer. It's really lightweight. So if you blow this in with the dryer, it lasts for 3 shampoos. So I only use it like once. I mean, to be honest, I only wash my hair like once a week.
Okay.
So if I use this once a month, then my hair stays really frizz-free and hydrated. I have super thick hair. Don't think I'm gross that I don't wash my hair, people.
It's not, it's not gross.
Girls with thick hair don't need to wash it as often.
You can get away with it.
Oh my gosh, and then I'm obsessed with Rita Hazan Brute Concealer. No one needs to know how old I am, but I've got a few gray hairs, and so I just use this. Yeah, a quick little spritz. Check out my other closet in the hallway.
True beauty closet.
Yes. Okay, follow me. So this is my beauty closet.
Clearly. So you pack stuff from your kit from this closet?
Yeah.
Okay.
And if I have a client that needs like a certain product for their hair texture or something, I know that I can just quickly grab it if it's not something that's normally in my kit.
Cool.
So if we start on the top shelf, these are all my favorite GHD and hot tools.
Wow.
I've got every tool you can imagine. My favorite is currently the GHD Platinum Plus Styler. I love this iron because of the rounded edges. It makes it really easy to get wavy looks. Or the super sleek straight looks. One of my signatures, I think, is the flat iron wave.
Yeah.
So this is my go-to tool for that. It just makes it really easy.
People are still like dumbfounded by a flat iron wave. Like
it's the most requested tutorial that I get still, and I still feel like I post it all the time. And I'm like, how many times can I post this? But
look at the wrist, guys.
Can you do it?
I'm pretty good at it. With this makes it really easy because of like the beveled edge.
I've also got like my trusty curling irons. I probably use the classic curl iron more than the soft curl iron. It's a little bit smaller just because I get a lot of control and I can use it on all lengths.
Okay.
So then I've got my brush bin here, and I just love beautiful brushes. So I've got a backstock here. I use brushes from different brands. I'm always looking for something new, so if anyone has suggestions, please let me know. Yeah.
How do you clean your brushes?
So I normally just clean them with soap and water, and then I have a disinfectant spray that they have at most beauty supply stores. And probably every week we bring the whole kit in and like wash them in the sink and let them dry.
Cool.
Yeah.
The whole process.
Yeah.
As like normal people, we definitely need to be doing that more.
Oh my gosh, I know.
Yeah.
I think back like when I was younger and my brush would just be like full of hair, like a big hairball. And now I see like one hair on it and I'm like, oh my God, it's dirty. Like, And when I go to my sister's house or like a friend's house and their brush is full, I'm like, oh my God, we need to clean this. Like, what's wrong with you?
You're such a hairstylist.
Yeah.
That's funny.
So moving on to the next shelf, these are my go-to styling products. So I've got them organized by brand.
Cool.
So then I know if I need to grab something exactly where it is. Some of the ones I've been using a lot is this pomade mousse from R&Co.
I love R&Co.
Yeah, me too.
I think the packaging is something
Packaging
visual.
is so cute.
Yeah.
I'm also a big fan of the Stronghold hairspray from Moroccan Oil just because it's really strong. So this is great if I have to do like a stiff or more structured look.
I, like literally just looking at it, I can smell it like backstage.
Oh, I feel like everyone can. Yeah, totally. I've been trying out this, it's a spray wax.
Oh.
I've been using this a lot actually. Actually, the curly extensions that I showed you that I used on Ashley, I use this in the hair a lot to get some texture.
I feel like when people think pomade, this is what they think
like
of.
thick.
Right,
Yeah,
like
exactly.
a putty. That's a spray version of this.
Right.
Okay, cool.
But speaking of that one, that's one of my favorite pomades. So most girls don't use pomades, I would say. Like it's more of a men's product. But I love this if I'm doing a sleek look or a ponytail. If someone has blonde hair, I find this works really well. And I'll just dip a toothbrush in it and then I can brush away the hairline and get that like really clean finish. It's great for baby hairs to like lay them really flat. Next to that is the Fat Boy waxes. Actually, if you grab that black one.
This one? Water
yeah,
wax?
so this is my go-to. I get questions a lot about wet looks. So this is my go-to wax for wet looks because as you can see, it's really shiny.
Definitely.
It already has that wet finish. It's super strong hold, so if you need a wet look that's gonna last all night.
So do you put it in wet hair?
I actually start wet looks with dry hair.
Okay.
And then the wetness is an illusion. We're in the business of smoke and mirrors. Nothing's what it seems. So wet hair is not actually wet. And then I've also got the new Between Washes products from Tresemme. They now have products for when you don't wash your hair, like how to get your hair to look great on those in-between days. And over here I've got my vitamins because part of my job is staying healthy and staying beautiful and teaching people how to be beautiful.
And you travel all the time.
Yeah, so I travel all the time. So these are my go-to vitamins for healthy hair, skin, and nails. I've never had hair this long before. Now all of a sudden I have long hair and I think it's because I've been taking these.
I think it works. I mean, honestly, it's worth it just to like have a little bite of candy every day.
Right. Then over here I've got my skincare.
You're always on your Instagram stories like getting new facials.
Yeah, I am a psycho. I'll get like 3 facials a week. Like I just love everything beauty, but I love like gadgets and figuring out new things. These are these silicone masks.
Where's Jamie?
I know.
I need to go
Have you
meet
tried
her.
it?
No, I have to.
Well, you're in LA, you should.
I know.
Why don't you?
She works on like all of these celebrities. She has that crazy roller tool.
The roller.
Do you have the roller?
Oh, I use it all the time. It's like my favorite tool.
I need one.
Okay, so then let's move down here. I brought little cushions for us to sit on. Let's get cozy. As you know, I love hair accessories. I've always just like love the little flair it adds to even the simplest looks.
Yeah.
So I've got my hair accessories down here.
Fun.
These are my 2 bins of my collection with Kitsch.
Yeah,
They come, if you buy the whole collection, it comes in this really cute little box.
They were all over Instagram.
I was so shocked by how many people were using it. They come in these pack of 12 crystal statement bobby pins, and then I've got my words. So I've got damn, drippin', you're wearing glam,
I'm wearing glam.
And then I have feelings.
Feelings, love it.
And then I'm working on my new launches. I'm gonna come out with a couple new clips this March. It's an oversized snap clip.
How fun, so 90s.
So 90s. And they're made with hematite crystal again, so it's still a really grounding crystal. So it's good if you travel a lot, or if you get stressed, or if you get anxiety. This is the crystal for you.
Does it come in a set of like 1 or 2?
With 2.
With 2, so you would put it like silent like here. Okay.
Yeah, exactly. And then I'm gonna come out with 2 new words. So I've got icon.
Icon, I love this. And the font changed.
vibes. Changed the font, just wanted to switch it up and give something new and fresh.
I love that you show hair accessories on your Instagram. Like a lot of people don't. Like we just see, you know,
totally.
sort of the same looks over and over again, but you're never one to shy away from trends. Like you
Totally.
are like,
oh, I'm like jumping in head first. Yeah, I'm like, oh, you want bobby pins? How about 12? Like, you know. So down here, I've got all my tools that I refill my kit with. So this is my hair elastics are in here. I've got bungees. I've got my snag-free elastics, my clips, sectioning clips. I've got ones from Hidden Crown. I've got my Kitsch ones, combs in here. I use rat tail combs to get the partings really clean in the hair. And then I love just like the same, like these beautiful combs. This one from Gisou is so cute.
Oh, that one's beautiful.
I love her products too.
Me
Like
too.
her shampoo and conditioner is what I use in my shower.
It smells really good.
It smells so good. And then I've got my little tricks like my for buns or for stuffing or shaping the hair. All of the things here.
Yep.
And then down in the next one, these are like tools for extensions, like remover, wig glue,
Oh, wow.
string for sewing weaves. I use these pliers for extensions.
Really? Okay,
Yeah.
clamp them in. Oh my God.
So then in here, I am a big fan of these microfiber towels.
I'm upset. These
Do you
changed
use
my
these?
life.
I know.
They changed my life.
I slept in one last night. Like to be
did?
honest, yeah, because I like to wash my hair before bed,
Right.
and then I ate. We'll sleep in this,
Let it
and
air
then
dry.
and then I just blow dry the rest of it in the morning.
Yeah, because my hair, if I just let it be wet, like it'll stay wet for like 2 days.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, so
Same.
this sucks,
I know.
like, all the moisture out of it, and you can like blow dry your hair so much faster.
So much faster, and it's so much more gentle on the hair. Regular cotton towels can cause breakage. They're actually too harsh for our hair, and hair is really fragile when it's wet. Like you're supposed to be very careful with it. The fact that we like shake it up with a towel is
and
just
like twist it in a
ridiculous.
towel.
Yeah, totally.
I could stay in here all day. Seriously.
Thanks for diving in with me.
Oh my gosh, thank
Yeah,
you. Thanks so much for watching, guys.
Thanks, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.